If you are facing a battle right now, always remember these 4 things. Number 1, God is with you. Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10 says, "So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you, and I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." Number 2, God will fight for you. Exodus chapter 14 verse 14 says, "The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still." Number 3, God will never leave you nor forsake you. Deuteronomy chapter 31 verse 8 says, "The Lord himself goes before you and will be with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged." Number 4, God will give you victory. Deuteronomy chapter 20 verse 4 says, "The Lord your God is the one who goes with you to fight against your enemies to give you victory."